Good morning, grade 5 girls. How are you all? So let us start our virtual learning classes and we will continue the lesson. This is the last part. We will finish with the lesson today. That's what are solid, liquids, and gases. Let me quickly tell you the vocabulary words: matter, temperature, liquid, volume, solid, gas. And let us go to the last part here, what we were doing. Okay, coming to this picture, because this picture will make you revise everything about solid, liquid, and gas. When I ask you the arrangement, I told you they are very closely packed, they are far apart. Here in the solid, they vibrate, the movement, they vibrate in their place. They slide over liquids, they slide over each other. Gases, they randomly move in all directions. This is what I've explained you here. And then I explained you about the energy. I told you what happened here to the energy. Solids, girls, when they're heated up, okay, they gain energy. When you gain energy, when somebody gains energy, what happens? You try to move around more. Similarly, the solid particles will start vibrating faster and become liquid. Same way it goes for liquid. The liquid, when you boil, the particles, they move faster and get apart and they become gas. Now let us come back. This was melting and this was boiling. Evaporation. When gas become liquid, that is condenses, they lose energy. When they lose energy, these particles, they come closer and they become liquid. Same way, liquid loses energy, the particles come more closer, very close, and they become solid. Gas to liquid, it's called as condensation. Liquid to solid, it's called as freezing. And if directly gas to solid or solid to gas, it is sublimation. Okay, girls, it is there in the picture. This picture, it's there. What is it? Directly from solid to gas or gas to solid, it's called as from solid to gas, it's sublimation. Okay, now girls, properties of solids, liquid, and gas. They both flow. Gases can expand or compress. Solids have definite textures. You cannot compress solids very easily, they're very hard. Now you'll say, teacher, sponge is a solid, but I can compress it. Yes, why? What's the reason? Because you have holes inside the sponge where the gases can be there. Got it? Okay. I told you evaporation is slower and happens only at liquid surface. Boiling is faster and happens throughout the liquid. I told you that when you keep a glass of water outside, you will find that the evaporation occurs from the surface. But when you boil, you heat it from the bottom and the entire liquid, you can feel it's moving. The particles are moving. Now, the properties here. Solids, although clay and wooden table are both solids, you can see that. The wooden table and the clay, both are solids, and all solids, they have shape, but the shape of some solids can change easily, like clay. You can't change it easily. A lot of gas has been compressed in this tank. It's under high pressure. You know these tanks, like oxygen tank, the gas is compressed inside. From the tank expands, filling many balloons, and it can fill many balloons. Now, what is the main idea? Its state matter has unique property. Liquids, motor, oil, and milk, they flow at different. Gases, you compress. Solids, glass, and sandpaper have different textures. So gas can expand, taking up more space or